if your pfSense ACME certificate renewal is failing due to outdated CA scripts, this quick system repair will fix the issue immediately. Outdated CA scripts break automatic Let's Encrypt validation, leaving your local firewall services without secure HTTPS encryption. To start fixing this, head into your pfSense package manager and force a full reinstall of the ACME package, which automatically updates system script paths and dependencies to current security standards. If that package refresh does not clear the error, the problem usually stems deeper in outdated authority trust chains, which brings us to method 2, where you reconfigure your Let's Encrypt account keys and update the root CA certificates directly inside your certificate manager settings. After refreshing those trust anchors, clear out any stale temporary validation logs that are currently blocking new automated issuance attempts. Finally, force a comprehensive manual certificate renewal from the main pfSense ACME status dashboard screen to confirm your scripts execute properly without errors. Following these 4 steps restores smooth automated certificate issuance across your entire network setup, so you never deal with expired connection warnings or broken security trust chains ever again.